Welcome back to another one of our videos here. More 420 crawler progress. This is the other undercarriage main frame. Got it in here last night. You can see how badly pitted this was, or is, I should say. That's what that one over there looked like. So not too long ago, this one here was in that kind of shape. So did a little bit of a transformation on it. So the one problem I had with that other one was this top roller was these bolts here were not seized in, but the heads are so rounded off that I just couldn't get anything to grab them. Tried a bunch of different sockets and stuff. So what I ultimately ended up doing was just grinding this down, getting a nice clean surface, and welding some nuts on, and then they come out real easy that way. So I'm not even going to attempt to do anything else. I knew that way worked, so that's what we're going to do, and then we're going to get this sandblasted. So let's get to work.